Un incontro ormai consolidato in occasione dei workshop di e-tronic è sicuramente con il carismatico Tom Tu, Regional Sales Manager della taiwanese Test Research Incorporated, più comunemente conosciuta con la sigla TRI. It's been a while since we last met. So what's new in TRI?
Well, the last 2 years we have started to increase our production capacity. So basically, we have built a new building. The original building was about 27 square meters, and now the new building has about 35,000 square meters. So we have double our capacity or even more. We have also introduced, since last year, we have introduced our artificial intelligence, which made our customer life a lot easier for programming and everything.
How is the market for TRI doing in Italy? And what are the most active markets for TRI in the world today?
Well, since 2012, we've been in partnership with the Electronic, and we were doing excellent in Italian market here for our all our product range. Um, the at the moment, Italy is still doing very good, where the rest of the world, um, there are a lot of productions are moving out of China. So we are moving uh, to like the Southeast Asia or the South America, like Mexico, Brazil's, and all other, even the Americas are doing very well at the moment.
Speaking of products and solutions, what new products does TRI offer and what can you discuss at this eTronic open house?
In the last 2 3 years, we have started to develop um, the test equipments like the conformal coating inspection with the thickness measurements, which a lot of our competition don't do. Also, the top and bottom inspections equipments, and we have which the heads are inspecting uh, boards that simultaneously. And we also have artificial intelligence, which made our customer lives a lot easier. Things like very fast programming. They in traditional way of making the programs are about 45 minutes to an hour, which have shortened the time of the programming using artificial intelligence down to like 5 minutes. You can do all the programs within 5 minutes, including the tunings.